been to your local beauty supply or your local drugstore and walk down the hair coloring aisle and just be hella confused about which hair color to get? The coloring system just looks like complete gibberish to you. Does that sound like you? I know I've been there so many times before. I'm gonna help you guys decode this and give you guys a quick crash course to help you learn how to choose the right box when you buy an at-home hair color. Huge thank you to Clairol for partnering with me on this video so I can demonstrate and show you guys how I color my hair and teach you guys a thing or two about hair color. So first things first, how do you know which shade is right for you? With hair color, there's something called levels and tones. With each color family, there are light, medium, and dark levels. Level describes how light or dark the shade is, while the tone is all about the hue or tint that your hair color gives off. There's a level numbering system that generally starts from a level number 2, which is black, that goes all the way to a level number 10, which is extra light blonde. Now let's talk about tones. Tone refers to the finish of a shade. Tones are typically categorized as warm, cool, or neutral. And there's going to be a degree of warmness or coolness. So these are the type of things that you'll see in a hair coloring box that might say whether it's ash or gold or cool, things like that. So ash, which is typically cool, is the color that's without the red or gold highlighted tone. Typically have like a green, blue, or even violet hue. And what this is going to do is going to minimize those red and gold brassy tones. Red, which is warm, is the color that adds red highlights and tones to your hair. Gold, which is also in the warm family, is the color that's gonna add golden highlights or tones to your hair. And last but not least, we have neutral, which is a mix of both warm and cool colors together. If you are trying to go light, a permanent hair color is the way to go, and it's also gonna deliver 100% great coverage. What is permanent hair color? And what does it do? They are small color hair molecules that penetrate the hair cuticle and enter the hair cortex. Permanent shades can lighten, add tone, and cover 100% of grays. So if you're new to hair coloring, you want to stick to the 2-shade rule. What is the 2-shade rule? You want to choose a color that's either 2 shades lighter or 2 shades darker than the current color you have. So as for me, I'm going lighter, y'all. My current level is a level number 4, so I'm gonna go up the scale 2 levels up, because remember, the numbers go up the scale. The higher you go, the lighter the hair color will be. So the color I'll be using today is from Clairol, and this is the Nice and Easy, and this is in the 6A light ash brown. And remember what the A means? That's ash. And what the ash is going to do is cancel those unwanted red and brassy tones that I definitely don't want. Because when you lift your hair, which is lightening, that is going to expose that under color that you have right under there. So I'm going to use the cool to cancel that out. You guys know I'm no stranger to coloring my hair at home, so I'm going to show you guys exactly just how I do it. Also, just wanted to stress that it's very, very important before you begin coloring your hair. Always do an allergy test. For those of you that may not know how to do the allergy test, the instructions are always going to be inside the box, but I can definitely coach you and walk you through on how you typically do it. Take a cotton ball, dip it inside the hair color, and just take a little bit and dab it right inside the inside of your elbow. Let that sit for 48 hours. That's the most important part. Do not wash it, and then just see how your body reacts. Now that I walked you through the basics of how to choose your hair color, let's begin to apply it. So this is the color I'll be using today. Let's go ahead and open up the contents of the box. Inside you'll find the instructions indicating how to use, along with the color, the developer, gloves, and the conditioner. Safety first, so you always want to make sure your hands are protected before applying your color. Now I'm going to open the developer and take the tube of color and squeeze everything in, and then mix everything by shaking the bottle. Before beginning, you might want to change into an old shirt or use a towel to protect your skin, and part your hair into sections. The color feels super creamy. It definitely has a conditioner-like consistency, And that makes it so easy to glide and saturate the hair. And that's partly because this new formula has Repair Plex, which is going to help condition and help protect against breakage. And just so you know, you can use the tip of the nozzle to split your hair into sections. And I'm also going to use it in the areas where I might have not have been able to catch, and just make sure it's fully saturated from roots to end. I'm going to just set my timer for 25 minutes and then just wait. And once that's processed and I've already shampooed, I'm going to use the Color Seal conditioner. So these are the final results. I love. This is exactly what I was going for. I wanted that nice, natural looking, subtle brown, and it's perfect. So Clairol has an array of colors to choose and select from. 52 natural looking shades to be exact. If you guys are interested in checking out the collection, definitely go on their website for more information. And stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be discussing root touch-ups, because you know that hair growth is going to come up, so we're definitely going to go over root touch-ups. Thanks so much again for watching, you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!